Okay, so the image you have seen, these images that you have seen were created by an AI, which is Adobe Firefly. So to get to this Adobe Firefly and register and even create similar images, all you need is to come to your browser and go to Google over here, and you can just search for Adobe Firefly just like so, and you can hit on enter, and it's going to be the first one over here, AI art generator Adobe Firefly. It's newly launched by Adobe. So it will bring you over to this platform. You can see the theme of it: dream bigger with Adobe Firefly. Dream it, type it, and see it with Firefly, our creative generative AI engine, now in Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe Express, and on the web as well. So all you need is to come over here and say explore Firefly, and it's going to give you the opportunity to try out these features. Okay, so this is just an example of some prompts. What will you make today? Layered paper galaxy, and you see from the text you can see the sample, concept art design, desert. You can see the example. You can do many things from here. You can try out text to image, which is our main focus for today. You can do generative fill, you can create fields, and you can do text effects. You can apply effects to different kind of text. You can do generative color, 3D to image design, and you can do extended image design as well. So all you need is to come over here and say sign in. If you have an account, you can go ahead and sign in with your username and password, with your email and password. If you don't have an account, then you have three options to sign in. You can sign in with you can sign up with an Apple account, or with a Google account, or as well as a Facebook account if you have any. So assuming I have my Google account, I'm just go ahead and sign up with it. So I'll meet you at the other side. Now once you sign up to the Google account, you will be brought into this very platform again, and when you can select between the range of the features that you can do. For this tutorial, like I have intensified, we're going to pay attention to text to image. So you just click on generate over here, and it's going to bring you to this pool of text to image that people have used to generate their own image. You see, as you hover over any of the drawings, you'll be able to see the kind of prompt that it sends, and it gives them this particular image. Like this one is an ultra HD cat wearing a yellow beanie, wearing sunglasses, eating a hamburger, and modeling in a studio bokeh. Okay, so this is the cat now. Okay, you can copy this and you can try this prompt. Maybe you can vary it different ways. You can change some things in it if you're interested. Now for our own case, this is where the prompting area, just like you have seen in ChatGPT, this is the prompting area in Adobe Firefly. So you can type in anything. So let's say a picture of a dog in the beach enjoying a drink with sunlight. Okay, so you can see this is a bit detailed. A dog in the beach enjoying a drink with sunlight. So let's generate this and see what kind of image it's going to give us. Usually it's going to give you 4 different variations of the image. You're the one to choose from the list that it has given you. So you can see it has given us the picture of a dog in the beach, and it's enjoying a drink and over a sunlight in all the 4 pictures. Now you have to see the properties or the style of the image that it has given us. First of all, you will notice that at the prompting area, it chooses the art. Okay, so this is an art, which is a default setting. If you like, you can close this and you can change the settings from here. For example, you can start with the aspect ratio. Right now it's 1:1. You can change it to 16:9 if that's what you are interested in, and it's going to automatically regenerate the image to 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay, so you can see it has regenerated the image, but this time around in 16:9 format. Okay, so you can see it directly with 16:9 and still holding the art content type. So if you want, you can make it photo, so it will be more realistic in a bit. Okay, so making it a photo, it's going to make it a bit realistic because the art nature is not looking so professional, so good. Let me say that. But let's see how it's going to look like with a photo. And you can see now the dog looks real because it has regenerated everything, and this is now more like a dog in truly a beach with enjoying a drink. Okay, in some of the photos, and with the sunlight, everything captured. Now we can change anything. You can go graphic if you want, but then whatever feature you select, you can see it inside here. And you can check from the styles. You can have popular style, or you can have all style, or you can check movement, themes, techniques. Depending on your choice, you can specify from here. So let's say all, and let's choose from this. Okay, you can see multiple styles, and if you want to go, you can go even as far as black and white if you want. You can say concepts if that's what you want. You can choose from the concepts here. You can select any one of them, and you can see it has taken simple as part of it. And then you can go to color and tone. You can set everything from here. So for example, the color, I may go with something like black and white, for example, at this moment. And the lighting, you can just choose different kind of lighting: backlighting, dramatic lighting, golden tour, studio lighting. You can choose anyone. So let's go with studio lighting, and these are just some very basic properties that we're adding. And the composition, we can choose between blurry background, close up, wide angle. So we can go with something like wide angle. Okay, and once you're done with all these features that you've highlighted, you can close on any of them if you are not certain by just clicking on this X icon. Okay, so if you're certain with everything and with this prompt, you can just go ahead and say generate, and it's going to generate an image with this much of detail that you've provided. Alright, and you can see it has regenerated the image fantastically with even the black and white feature. Okay, and it has regenerated it, and it looks much more perfect and realistic over here. And if you like, you can remove any of the feature, and it's going to regenerate it just like we've explained. So at any given point, you can go ahead and click on these three dots, and you have the option to submit to Firefly gallery, use as a reference image, or copy it to clipboard and paste it somewhere. For example, I can copy this to clipboard. I can go to my PowerPoint, and I can just paste it here with Ctrl V. You can see it has pasted it, only that it carries this small watermark showcasing that it is from Adobe Firefly. Alternatively, you can go ahead and download it directly by clicking on this, and it's going to download any of the variations that you've selected. Or you can mark any of them as your favorite. If you mark this, it's going to be part of your favorites. If you go on and click on view favorite, it's going to show you this one as part of it. So you can click to view it in a bigger form. Okay, so you can go ahead and download. You can view all the variations. Okay, you can view all the variations just like so. Okay, so if you want at any given point, you can remove any. For example, I can remove the black and white nature and regenerate everything, and it's going to be colored in this with these features that I've selected. You can see it now regenerated, and I think this is perfect. So I think you are now getting the message. Okay, so I think that does it for this tutorial on how to use Adobe Firefly to to go from text to image, varying the properties and the different features to have a fantastic result. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to keep receiving videos like this. Bye.